Hello everyone. I welcome you all in Madan Seni Computer Classroom. In this video, I will teach you input devices. So before we move for the virtual tour of input devices, I would like to request you to please like and subscribe the channel. So let's go for definition. Input devices are those devices that help us to insert the data into the computers. First input device example, keyboard. Keyboard look like this. A keyboard is an input device that allows letters, numbers and other symbols to enter a computer. A keyboard contains push buttons called keys. Around 108 keys are there. Mostly the QWERTY keyboard is used to type the contents in the computer. Its first alphabet line start with these 5 letters QWERTY. So it is called QWERTY keyboards. Types of keyboard. Types on the basis of connectivity technology. There are 3 types of keyboard: wired keyboard, wireless keyboard and virtual keyboard. Types on the basis of alphabetic keys pattern. There are 3 keyboards: QWERTY keyboards, Mangal keyboard and AZERTY keyboard. Next one, mouse. Mouse is look like this. It is a pointing device. It has 3 buttons. First left button, second scroll button, third right button. Types on the basis of connectivity technology. There are 2 types of mouse, wired mouse and wireless mouse. Types on the basis of manufactured technology. There are 2 types of mouse, mechanical mouse and optical mouse. Wired mouse. Wired mouse look like this. It has a wire to connect with CPU. Wireless mouse. Wireless mouse look like this. A wireless mouse, as its name says, it doesn't have any wire to connect with CPU. It uses a USB, Bluetooth or infrared dongle that can be plugged into systems USB ports to receive signals. Next, mechanical mouse. It's look like this. A mechanical mouse contains a metal or rubber ball on its underside. When the ball is moved in any direction, sensors inside the mouse detect this motion and move the on-screen mouse pointer in the same directions. Optical mouse. Optical mouse is look like this. An optical mouse is a pointing device that uses an optical light or sensor at the bottom surface to detect movement of arrow on the screen. Next input device, trackball. Trackball is look like this. It has also a rubber ball. A trackball is also a pointing input device. It has rubber or metallic held by a socket containing sensors to detect a rotations of the ball. It is like an upside down mouse with a ball that sticks out. The user rolls the ball with thumbs or finger to move a cursor. Scanner. A scanner is a device that captures images from photographic printed page for image editing and saves it as a digital image in the computer. The types of scanner. There are 3 types of scanner. First one is handheld scanner. Second one is flat-topped scanner. Third one is drum scanner. Now next input device, touch screen. Touch screen is look like this. Touch screen devices allows the users to input information by touching the icons of file, folder and software which are graphically present on the screen. For example, tablet, PDA, smartphones. etc. Next input device, graphic tablets. Graphic tablet look like this. Graphic tablet or digitizer is used to hand draw images, animations and graphics with the help of stylus. It can be used like pen and pencil writing on the monitor screen. Next input device, mic and microphone. Let's look at them. This is mic and this is microphone. It is also called collar mic. Mic and microphone are used to record voice with the help of sound card in the computer. MICR. MICR machine look like this. It stands for magnetic ink character reader or recognition. MICR machine is used to read the bank checks in bank. The check has magnetic ink fonts on it. Next one, OCR. OCR stand for optical character reader or recognition. OCR is used to read the character on printed paper. Next input device, OMR. OMR stand for optical mark reader and recognitions. It's look like this. OMR device helps us to recognize human marked data from document or paper like computational exams answer sheets. Next one, ATM card reader or POS machine, point of sale. It's look like this. Both are look like this. And card reader and POS machines are used to read a black magnetic strip which is present on ATM card. Next input device, light fan. Light fan, you can see on the screen. It can be used directly right on the monitor screen. A handheld photosensitive device resembling a pen held to the display screen of a computer terminal for passing information to the computer. Next, last two input devices, webcam. This look like this. Definition is a webcam is a video camera that feeds or stream video in real time to or from a computer to a computer network such as the internet. Last one, digital camera. This look like this. Definition is a digital camera or digicam is used to capture photographs in digital memory and transfer them to computer by card reader or cable connectivity. So that's all about input devices. Soon we will come with a new video with a new topic. Thank you all for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe the channel. Please press the bell icon for the notification of new video. Thank you so much.